Right now he's working on removing the rest of the broken windshield, and we ended up using, what's that, a jigsaw, right? We ended up, you know, deciding to use a jigsaw. At first I was using a hammer and like a real thin, like a chisel, and got most of the sides, the edges off, and like the other edge. But then this part was gonna be hard to do without, you know, the jigsaw, or even approaching this curve right here, because the fender would be in the way. So he decided to use a jigsaw, and so far it came out pretty good. Like, you know, y'all can see it right here. It didn't do any damage really. The only thing is it did scratch this part up a little bit, but if you think about it, this will cover, the new windshield will cover it up anyways, but we're just probably gonna prime it and spray it with some rattle can white spray paint or something, you know, anyways, to prevent rust. For the most part, man, we did a lot today, bro. We did a lot. We did a decent amount. And the dash, man, it was kind of a pain in the ass though, because the back of it, you know, there's like buku wires and shit, and hella clips, you know, onto the frame, and everything looked good though. This fucking box right here behind the dash has so many clips connected to it, man. Y'all see that shit already? Look how many on this side alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 freaking was it pins or clips or whatever that goes into there. And then this side, I think this side was the side facing the front of the car. This side is like facing the dash, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other thing was one of these harnesses right here. I realized that you can actually pull that off of the harness on the dash rather than taking out all of the chassis harness and all that. We got lucky, I noticed that, because I was like this close to like removing the whole freaking harness. So far, so good, man. We got progress going, man. Next thing, Koo wants to go ahead and order motor mounts, which we need that auto to manual bracket, probably go with high sport. He wants all fresh mounts. Yeah, we still gotta touch up the engine bay for real, man. But he pressure washed it right after he took the A3 out. Can't wait, man. We got a lot of cleaning up to do still. We might even do a roof swap with the black one. You know, drill all out, all the pinch welds or whatever out, and do a roof swap. When this car, when the windshield got smashed, the hood popped up, smashed the windshield, and also smashed the top of the roof. I'll walk over here real quick and check out the hood. Damn. Yeah, it's pretty fucked up. Now y'all can see how that did that. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Yeah, I'm guessing that's the top of the roof right there when it's flipped and smashed over. He had these bullshit fucking quick release shit on there. That's probably why. Damn. Here it is. So far, y'all see it? Go get a real deep clean. It ain't gonna be this tan no more. It's gonna have the all black interior. So it's gonna be pretty damn sweet, man. And then he's gonna keep the car the same color white. I was about to say I want to guess the color, but you know, I don't want to bullshit y'all and anticipating you know, a certain color and then it end up being white still. I feel like we should go with a championship white color code, which, I mean, on camera probably close enough, but in person you'll know the difference. He got this painted probably like a few years ago as well, but dude kind of did a shitty job on it anyways, so there was like paint cracking and all that. But all in all, I mean, it's all right. It was all right. And this car had a whole bunch of hail damage, so you know, we'll try to get out most of this shit ourselves if we could. Let me tell y'all, I've been wanting to learn how to paint for a long time, man. If y'all want to drop some tips or whatever, let us know, because we are gonna try to paint ourselves as well. You know, do body work, all that good stuff. My Civic, this Rsx, maybe the other homie's car as well. Do your boy a favor and subscribe and share the video. We're trying our best to keep it professional and learn, you know, from other creators on YouTube as well. Even like a couple of our, you know, friends or even family members that are professionals, you know, I seek knowledge from them all the time. I give them calls, you know, even a few performance shops that did work for a Civic back in the past or any other vehicles. They answer most of my questions. If it's something that we really can't handle or don't think we can learn to do, we'll probably, you know, seek some professional work done. I mean, I'm still learning. Yeah, I'm still learning how to vlog and everything too, man. My first like 2 videos, I was nervous as hell. I mean, I'm still nervous, man. It's just like looking into the camera and talking to y'all, you know, like y'all here right in front of us. I was trying to find my approach on that. I hope y'all enjoying like most of our content so far. Y'all just keep watching, man. I'm sure like eventually later on we're gonna have a whole bunch of different type of content. Anything with a motor in general, bikes, this and that. But for now, you know, that's what we have. We have nothing but Hondas, so that's all we can show y'all right now. Eventually, I would love to like to get into building like a drift car, even like a VIP style vehicle, exo kart. You guys know what those are? Yeah, they're pretty sick too. Having like spare engines and shit laying around, it's nice to have and then push over for other projects. We just got back to Cool's house. It's always good to have people like that, man. You know, people that's down to help us out, support us, whatever. Y'all important too, you know, to make this channel happen. I mean, one day, you know, hopefully, you know, I will thank y'all a whole lot more. But this at the start, you know, any love is appreciated anyways. You know what I mean, y'all? So, thank you guys again, all right?